thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Export MP3 format audio, I'm going to show you a plugin that you might not actually need anymore. Let's talk about it. Before we get into exporting MP3s, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. The Export MP3 plugin allows you to export your WAV file in MP3 format. This is the required archival format in many jurisdictions. And so to get this plugin, I can go to Plugins, Available, Audio, and then I can choose Export MP3, and I can download this plugin. I can enable the plugin and press OK, and Eclipse will prompt me to restart. And Eclipse has restarted. I'll choose my user again and press OK. And now if I open up a job that has audio, I can go to Tools, Multimedia, and Export MP3 as an option. And if I return to Plugins and look up Export MP3 in the list, we see that that's exactly what it adds: Tools, Multimedia, Export MP3. And this plugin will automatically export all of your audio files for every job, even if it's a multi-channel job. And so if you need your voice track as well as your room track in MP3, this will happen automatically. Now let's talk about why you might not need this plugin at all. And that is because in Eclipse 12, you're able to record directly in MP3 format if you'd like. I can go to User Settings, Real-Time Audio Recording, and where it says File Type, instead of OPUS or WAV, I can instead choose MP3 and then choose my desired format quality. And so this allows me to record as many channels as I'd like to in the format that I end up needing to archive anyway. We are making sure that the Export MP3 plugin remains accessible for people who are on Eclipse 11, or for those who may prefer or need to record in WAV or OPUS for other reasons. So know that if you rely on this tool, it's not going anywhere. But if you'd like to record directly in MP3, you can now do that in Eclipse 12. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays. We can be reached anytime by phone at 772-288-3266. For less urgent matters, contact us by email at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video and keep an eye on your notifications for our next upload. Have a great day!